Welcome to the Crop Scan Data Reprocessing tutorial. If you experience data not being displayed in the Engage app, but you can see the raw file in the Crop Scan Ag Cloud portal, then a simple reprocessing of the data can make sure the data is pushed through to the Engage app. To access the data, log in to Crop Scan Ag Cloud webpage at app.cropscanag.com. Once logged in, go to the Files tab and select the Year folder. Then select the Protein folder to view your field files. Scroll down and select an individual field file or multiple field files to reprocess. Once your file is selected, go to the top of the page and hit the Reprocess button. Now go and open up the Engage app on your iPad or Android device. Press the Refresh button to call any new data to the app. Your data will then be available to view in the Engage app once the reprocessing is complete. Thank you for joining us. You can find more tutorial videos from our website, cropscanag.com.